Dear friends, I hope all of you must be knowing how to post the quiz in the various sections wherever you are teaching. Today I am going to tell you the various steps which are required to edit the any quiz. To edit a quiz which has been posted by you, you can edit it. Now let's firstly move to Google Classroom. My screen is open here as a teacher. These are the classes I am teaching. Okay, so let me go there. Firstly, in class 8th B, I will show you something there where I am teaching. Firstly, I will press classwork. One science quiz I have given to my students. I will show you that quiz is there. Okay, it is must be posted up. This is science quiz. Let me open it. Okay, I'm showing you these are the name of the students who have handed in, and some of the students have assigned, they have not submitted the assignment to me. This quiz score they have not submitted, or maybe they have not attempted it. Okay, let me check. This is the instruction. This is the science quiz waiting for them. I have made such a setting that they can attempt this quiz many times, not for the single time. You can do any changes in the setting. I will show you that how to do that. Now this quiz is with you. Whosoever has posted, you can do the changes in the quiz according to your requirement. Here at the top you can see at the right hand, on the right hand side of your screen, at the top you can see three buttons are there, three dots are there. Edit. Now this cursor will start blinking. Now I'm going to edit the quiz, so I will press over it. After clicking over it, I'm getting my form. These are my questions. This is my quiz, and here at the bottom on the right hand side there is a pen. I'm going to click over it. So edit option will be available to me. You can see the questions and responses are there. In responses you can see how many students have responded so far. 160 responses. As I have said you earlier, I have asked my student to do this quiz many times. They are free to do. So 160 responses are there, and I'm very happy to show you that I can show you this sheet. In this sheet, all the students' marks are uploaded automatically. No need to hand it. See that? See, email address, time when they have given this assignment to me, when they have taken this, attempted this quiz, time, date, their score, and whatever the options they have given, whatever the, it was a multiple choice quiz was there, so whatever the option they have opted, that option is also given to me. Every question, for every question, you know that. So in this way, we are going to have the complete detail of the students, on which date the child has submitted, at which time the child has submitted, along with some other summary. Summary is there, score. See, you can see everything is here. If you want to see the score in a sheet form, that I've shown you here by pressing this green colored icon, or if you want to see only this thing, the score, here you can see that, and no need to ask the student to hand in. Once they have attempted the quiz, after getting the score, this score will automatically uploaded in the sheet, and in this way we are going to have the complete details of the student, about the marks, about the individual also, question also. So many options are there. Keep on trying with them. And now let's move. If I want to do some more changes, you see, preview is there, settings is there, make a copy, and again some other things are there which we are not aware of that till now. And send from, I can give this form to anybody from here also. If I want to share this form with you, I can submit it from here also by doing the copy link. Copy. Now my link is with me. This link I have copied, and I can go to any place and copy it. I will show you how to copy it. Now I suppose I want to paste this link. I want to give this assignment in some other class. Suppose I have chosen class 5th science. The link is copied with me. The link is there. Now classwork. I have to create a new classwork, new assignment. Revision. Okay. Now other details you can fill, like doing changes you can do. Okay, due date, some other changes we can do. 27. Okay. Topic science, I'm giving it. And now you have to copy that link which you have brought from that quiz. Now press over this link sign. Drive, attach options has come to you. Drive, link, file. Press over link. After pressing link, this add link box will be open for you. Paste the link which you have copied. Now add. Now this is another way of copying it. So now this is ready with you. I hope it is very much clear with you. Yesterday we had discussed how to post the quiz which has been kept in some other folder. Moving of the quizzes we get to know. Now with the editing of the form, we can have many options. We can see the responses of the students. We can do any changes in the time of the quiz. Some other changes also we can do by exploring, by doing by ourselves only. We can explore many new things. Thank you. All the best.